towards Kennedy.
This station is freaking huge. I have no idea where the hell I'm gonna exit. You go this way, it'll take you to the GO station. And if you go west of here, you will find yourself west of the station, but it's a long ass way out. E, that's what the 905 Eglinton East Express bus used to be. And they were building the GO station. There's the new entrance to the LRT line, line 5. Yes, this is the terminus of both line 2 and line 3, and then of course the Eglinton line. Started above the Nova Bus LFS, and there's the famous Scarborough RT. You know, I think my uncle used to drive the bus, the 43 Kennedy, back in the 2000s, I think. Now he works for the Young University line, because he really hated the attitudes when people ran the bus and stuff like that. Let me tell you, if you're driving the bus, you got a hard job to do. comes the famous Scarborough RT, which will be taken out of service in 2 years. And they are building another entrance to the station. Oh man, this is very iconic. The design of this platform is just as unique. Because the doors open on both sides. This is the boarding platform, and for the other platform, that's the alighting platform. And there's a turnaround loop right there. Originally, this was going to be a streetcar line, but the TTC decided to purchase this technology that's used in Vancouver and Detroit. It's a very rare sighting to catch one of these vehicles on the turnaround loop. And it caused a lot of problems in its first years of opening. Again, this opened in 1985. There it is right there. Holy shit, that's a lot of pigeons. That's Kennedy Road. I'm going to miss the RT when it closes. No, it's... never mind. I was gonna cross with a train to the other side, but I wanted to wait till we leave anyway. Kids here, I don't want to hit them in my shot before they get pissed off like that cocksucker at Lawrence Station. Still pisses me off to that day. Hey? Like, what the fuck? That radio tower is at the Golden Mile. Oh, there's a part of downtown, but you can't even see the CN Tower. That's Young and Bloor over there. Alright, now to exit the station, which I don't think I've ever done in my life. And sometimes I try not to talk in these station explorations, but I have the urge to do that. The absolute urge to just babble about things. Look. The communication servers are still offline because of that ransomware attack on Friday that's just disrupted most of the communication services, like next vehicle information. Even the internal email is down, and the vision system as well. That escalator will take you all the way down to the Line 2 platform. This station is to be a huge one when the Line 5 opens. I did another video here last month showcasing the archives. Now I'm going to do a walking video along Eglinton. I was very tempted to go over to the GO station, but oh, maybe I will. There's a sign right here. And that's on the Stouffville line. I'm not sure if I can get a train coming in. I am aware that they've been doing some work on upgrading the track infrastructure and stations. Because of its construction mess, it's kind of hard to find your way around. Oh, shit. Barely missed that. You know, I thought of riding the Stouffville line, taking it to Centennial in Markham, because there's a shopping mall there. Just enough from here they started to double track. And there's another look at the new entrance for the Line 5 LRT. I know there's an underpass here somewhere, but I don't know where the hell it is. The next southbound train to Union will arrive in 8 minutes, but I don't know if I'll wait for that one. But look at her go. And there it goes on its way to McCowan. Okay, I think I can exit for here. All right, I thought I had to go around the perimeter of the bus platform. Man, this is such a huge station with so much with so much maze path. So. It has so much parking space too. Alright. I'll just end the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.